Temperatures today did spike up into the 60s. It was a pleasant one. We were almost 70 in Nashua and Fitchburg. How about that? And Boston, 62 before the sea breeze got us. It was all over you in Lynn and out through Gloucester and up through Portsmouth and down through Marshfield, too. And Cape Cod, still chilly. Nantucket as well. But at least we had the sun, right? Tomorrow, not as bright. But, you know, looking at this low pressure system with all these fronts dangling, you'd think that we'd get soaked. I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on in the atmosphere. Yeah, there are the boundaries all over the place, but that doesn't necessarily mean the rain is all intense. Right now, it's just shower activity. You can see it across New York State. We've taken the concentrated area of rain and spread it out a little bit, so that weakens it. And so tomorrow, I don't see a washout. I see a couple of showers early on. The possibility of getting wet, you know, in any one spot is not awesome. In fact, I think some spots may come away with just a quick sprinkle tomorrow. And that would be in the morning. And then in the afternoon, maybe a couple more will pop up, but these seem to blossom as they move offshore. Clearing will come in after about 3 o'clock. So there you have your day. There's some sunshine involved in it, but we do see that surge of colder air, and that means the winds will be gusting tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. They could go over 20 miles an hour to 30 miles an hour or 30 plus on Cape Cod as that cold air surges out over the ocean and over the Cape and the islands too. Now tomorrow's temperatures, like today, in the 60s in some spots, spiking briefly like we did today. Much of the day will be spent in the 50s with cloud cover. And then we settle into a nice cold night tomorrow night and into Thursday morning. We have the freeze watch up where the growing season has started in southeastern Mass and down through Rhode Island and Connecticut too. So elsewhere, sure, it's going to be cold enough for a freeze. And this is one where you want to bring the plants in. No, I don't think you should cover them, because when they hit 28 or 25 or 26 degrees, the covering is not going to help. That is cold enough to get underneath that covering and freeze everything solid. So beware. Some flower damage is possible, but the trees, the fruit trees, should be okay. And the recovery on Thursday and into Friday is not like it's going to be soaring here. We will see temperatures slowly creep up, and the sea breezes will be fighting us all the way. Now, the chance for precip is pretty small, too. But as we go into the weekend, we are seeing at least a warm-up of 10 to 15 degrees above normal. That would bring us where? Into the 60s, mid-60s, upper 60s? No, near 70 degrees. And that is what we have for the end of the weekend and early next week. Some of that won't linger into Tuesday. That chance for rain on Sunday is very brief in the morning. We're back after the break.